Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here with my trusted friend, this X-Cut, which is always on my unboxings, and I'm gonna do another unboxing, of course, and with products from a new partner. It's the new Golden Butt. It represents several brands here in Portugal, like Schubert, some boots also. It represents Revit, and they have other materials. You can go check their website, which I'll leave a link on the description. And because of you and because of the growing of the channel, more and more companies want to have their products on the channel and want me to wear their products. With that in mind, they send me something, which is basically this box here and this box here. These two boxes. So at the moment I have no idea what it is, but from the size, I think this should be an helmet. It's usually helmets are around this size. This one we're gonna find together what it is. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox everything, and then I'm gonna show you, and we'll talk a little bit about what's inside. Here we are with the two products which I just received from my new partner, and basically we are talking about the Cardo, the PackTalk Black. Okay, this everyone knows Cardo, so there is nothing to say about Cardo. Of course, I will do the review, and I have this helmet from SMK. Okay, I've never tried this brand. It's a new helmet that just arrived, so we're gonna see if it is good or not. We're gonna leave it for the end, so let's leave it here so you guys can see the helmet, and we're gonna start with the Cardo. So package, really nice package with a little gold, really nice. Okay, 3 years warranty, 45mm speakers with sound from JBL. Man, this promises. What we have? Dynamic mesh communication, natural voice operation, so it recognizes the voices, waterproof. It has a range of 1.6 kilometers. Battery 13 hours, helmet with X15, so I suppose it can give to connect 15 riders, FM radio, MP3 which is music, GPS X2, maybe 2 GPS, I don't know. It's brand new, I have no idea how it works, and GPL pack. So let's open it, see what's inside. I'm gonna leave it there. Open here. Hold and look at the interior of this package. Really nice interior, guys. This is so beautiful. Okay, we have the Cardo communicator here, nice. Okay, this should be the instructions, and this is a sticker, more instructions, an installation guide, which I'm gonna read after. And then we have this box, pre-alcohol prepare. So this is alcohol to clean everything. The speakers don't fall down. This is a one mic, then the adapter to connect to put on the helmet between the interior and the helmet, sponges and the adhesives. This one is to fix on the helmet. You will not be able to remove it. And we have the charging cable, which is micro USB. It's not USB Type-C, and the microphone for the open helmets, which I always use this one instead of where is the other one? I just saw it. Instead of this one, I use this one. So basically, this is everything that comes inside of the package. It's a really nice package. So this is just an unboxing, okay? Not a review. So I'm gonna put everything back in place, and we're gonna open the other one. So let's close it. Put it here inside. It has an order, so we have to put this here, and now we put this one on top, and we close this beautiful box. It's really nice, okay? The box is really nice. Cool design, everything. I do like it, okay? And put it here, and leave it here on the side. There, take a look. And we're gonna pick up this one. the helmet and we're gonna see this brand new helmet I've just received. So, come out, wherever you are. We put the box on the floor. And here it is, the SMK helmet. So, we're gonna open it. And look. What I've just received. Beautiful helmet, okay? With the colors of the channel, which I like, the black and red. Really nice retro helmet. Cool design, okay? The one thing I already noticed, let me just put this here so I don't scratch it. It's not a micromatic lock, and we have these attachments here, which I have no idea what they are, because I've never seen this helmet before. I just received it, so I have to see in the instructions. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to see how it is the inside, or the interior. Let me see. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Huh? It's nice? Does it feel? Oh yeah, it feels good. It doesn't shake, it's exactly my size. Okay, really nice, okay. Okay, really nice helmet, okay? Exactly my size, it's an M. So all my helmets, they are M size, so it's a standard size. I like the interiors, they are comfortable, I did like it. The design, of course, it's a retro design, which is really cool. I'm going to use this helmet tomorrow on an event that I'm going, which is the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I'm going to wear this helmet. So if you see me there, it will be with this beautiful new helmet. Again, like I said, I never had an SMK helmet. First impressions, it's really nice. The padding inside, it's really nice. The only thing I don't like is the locking system. I prefer the micromatic, which is much faster to open. And oh, it's double D. It's called double D. I just remember it's the double D. But I prefer the micromatic, which is much faster and much easier. So soon you will have, well, not soon, but in the few weeks you will have the reviews of these two products, which I'm very interested in trying because they do look promising. The Cardo is a Cardo, nothing to say. SMK, first try, I'm in love with this design, in love with the comfort. So now I need to know if it is noise cancellation, if it is good, and all the other aspects of the helmet. Because I'm looking at the helmet, I'm not seeing any ventilation. Maybe, yeah, okay, we have ventilation here on these little things here, but I have to see if it is always open, if I can close it, so I have no idea. Let me just try it out, and I'll get back to you with the review where you can see in my channel. But before we go, don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for your motorcycles, which I have a link down in the description, which gives you the first month free. And I'm sure if you know anyone in Portugal, please let them know about this great deal. So don't forget also to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!